Mickey is whistling a happy tune as he strolls down the street, his iconic red hat perched jauntily on his head. The morning is perfect, with a hint of adventure in the air. Suddenly, a playful gust of wind sweeps through the street, snatching the hat from Mickey's head and sending it spiraling into the sky.
Oh no, my hat!
Mickey exclaims, watching helplessly as the wind carries it away. Pluto, ever the playful pup, gives a joyful bark and tosses the hat into the air with his nose. It sails through the park, landing squarely on the head of Donald Duck, who is busy enjoying a leisurely walk.
Hey! This ain't mine!
Donald quacks indignantly, flapping his arms in surprise.
Gosh, who turned out the lights?
Goofy exclaims, stumbling around in confusion. His long legs tangle as he tries to regain his balance, the hat slipping and sliding over his eyes. The scene is a comedic ballet of chaos as friends and onlookers chuckle at the antics.
Phew! What a whirlwind adventure!
Mickey chuckles, placing the hat securely back on his head. The friends gather around, each sharing a smile as they recall the unexpected antics of the day. Pluto barks happily, wagging his tail, while Donald adjusts his own hat, still chuckling at the memory. Goofy, ever the good sport, joins in the laughter, a wide grin stretching across his face. Together, they realize that sometimes the best adventures are the ones shared with friends. The vibrant streets of Toontown quiet down as the friends part ways, each heading off with a smile and a wave. The day has been full of surprises, a testament to the joy and friendship that animate their lives. With a final twinkle, the scene fades, leaving behind the warmth of shared memories and the promise of more adventures to come.